Hello everybody, welcome to my new channel. I am going to be talking all about AI, and specifically on this video I am going to be talking about ChatGPT. Now, since ChatGPT has basically been introduced to our society, I'm telling you, I just learned about this just a few days ago and the world is going to explode. I'm telling you right now, you come back in 1 year from now and the world is going to be absolutely different. Now, I honestly have been absolutely blown away by what ChatGPT can do. I started seeing it in the news like at the beginning of the year, and I'm like, yeah, what's going on here? I heard some stories about, some college students using it to cheat, and I just didn't really think about it. And it wasn't until a friend basically hit me up on WhatsApp and said, hey, do you know about this GPT? And I said, okay, let me check it out. And let me tell you, I have been blown away. Now look, it's nonstop. Every single news organization is talking about this because this is really incredibly revolutionary. Look at this first thing. I just read this the other day, today. ChatGPT could make these jobs obsolete. The wolf is at the door. As a matter of fact, I think the wolf is already inside the house, everybody. Now check out this article. It says everybody is cheating, why this teacher has opted to open ChatGPT policy. So a lot of you that don't know about ChatGPT, you're thinking, what are you talking about? Cheating in exams? Guys, I'm going to go over ChatGPT and it's going to absolutely blow your mind. I'm telling you, this is next level stuff. This is beyond next level. This is truly insane. All right, so what is ChatGPT? What is it? Is it an app? Is it a computer? Is it a robot? What is it? Well, look, check this out. Just go to Google and type in ChatGPT on the search box and go to the first link right here where it says openai.com/ /blog/GTP. It's going to take you to this website right here, and this is it, right? You're going to go ahead and say try ChatGPT, and it's going to ask you to create an account and just go ahead and go through all the process. This is absolutely crazy. Once you're set up, it's going to look a little bit like this, right? It's going to say ChatGPT, and you basically ask it to do whatever you want. The first thing I did when I got into this, I basically did, I asked ChatGPT to write a resume. Okay, so let's make this simple. I'm just gonna say, let's create a resume for a YouTuber. So I'm gonna say, create a short resume for a YouTuber influencer that focuses on AI type of videos. And that's it. You press OK and let's see what it comes up with. Look how fast it writes everything for you guys. I mean, it's basically doing everything for me. And like, look, I'll start reading the summary. Experienced YouTuber with a passion for AI and technology, skilled in creating engaging content, blah, 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 blah. Isn't this amazing? Look at this. And it makes it all ready to go and, basically set up. Okay, let's do something else. Let's say create short resume for an oncology nurse, okay, with 10 years experience. Check this out, okay? I just kind of came up, I'm just writing as I go, guys. I'm just creating this. Look at this. It's creating me a short little resume, and I'm telling you, the possibilities are endless, right? You could say, instead of you writing create a short resume, I could say create a long resume. Or look at this, here, watch this. What is the best grilled cheese recipe? Okay, boom. Look at this. And are you seeing what I'm saying? Look at this. It's just basically creating everything for you. There's no more need to go on Google and, Google things and watch videos. You just go to a chat box like this, type in what you want, and it does it for you. This is insane. So let's just say if I wanted to do a production budget for a film shoot. Check this out. I'm saying write a production budget for a 2-day film shoot using Sony cameras, and I press submit. And let's see what it does. Look at this. You see what it just did? It just created me a production budget in seconds. And I just go in here and I change up the things if I want to, and we are done. Or I could add more stuff to the chat box. Guys, this is amazing. This thing can write code. Basically, you could ask it to code you a website. You could ask it to just do basically anything that you want. I mean, look, I'll say, write a short poem of a boy meets girl, falls in love, but breaks up in the end, right? I'm gonna ask this thing to write me a short poem, and look at this, it's already writing a short poem. Could you believe this? Isn't this the most amazing thing you've ever seen? And we could read, I don't even want to read it. You can read it on your own. I'll read a little bit. He saw her standing there with a smile so bright and fair. He knew right away, right then and there, he had fallen in love without a care. This is insane. I just cannot believe. Now, why is this sort of scary for the future? Because I'm telling you, come back in 1 year from today, this world will be different. Okay, this AI is going to basically put this world upside down. Personally, what I think is going to be the most affected in the short term will be the healthcare industry. There's no reason why we need to go in and see a doctor anymore. You can see an AI doctor. You tell the AI doctor basically your symptoms. It's going to, write you a prescription for blood work or for whatever tests that it needs to do. You go in, you do the test, the AI robot will then analyze the test and will proceed to the next step. I mean, there is no reason why we need to go see a human doctor anymore. Now, as far as like doing your taxes, you can go in with AI, to similar programs like ChatGPT and say, hey, do my taxes. Here are my deductions. Here's how much I made. Here's whatever. And it's going to spit this stuff out. So you could see accounting is going to get hit really, really hard. Creative. I mean, look, I just wrote a poem in 2 seconds. Well, I didn't write it. This program wrote it. So you can see how this is just going to completely change the world we live in. This is like getting the telephone, all at once. Like, it's not like, back in the days when the telephone was first created, you need to put telephone wire across cities. This is basically like we all get the telephone all at once at the same time. So the implications are going to be crazy. I think definitely we're going to I think the world is going to be put upside down now that this is available for everybody. Now, I'm almost positive that this has been implemented, in big companies already for a long time. But now that the general public has access to this, this is going to be next level stuff. I definitely encourage a lot of you to check it out because it's just mind-boggling. I had a friend that basically asked to write some code, some Java code for websites to search, the Dow, like the stock market for certain types of trades, and boom, it wrote a little script, right, of code, and then he was able to implement it, and then it was done. You don't have to basically. Programmers are going to get hit really hard with this. This is just going to revolutionize the world. I've already used it for my work. I actually made a video for my other YouTube channels with this thing. I asked it to write a script, and the script was insane. And then just for fun, I used computer voice just to see how it would work out. And then suddenly I had a video with computer voice done in seconds. It was just absolutely insane. So the world is changing, everybody. I hope you really enjoy this video. I'm going to keep making videos on this. I'm going to start reading some articles and some news articles and see where the technology is going. But this is going to be very innovative, and it's here. It's here. It's crazy. The cat is out of the bag, and get ready for a crazy, crazy revolution. It is going. I just don't even know where it's going to go because with this technology in our fingertips, I have no idea what can happen. I just really know. But we're going to research it. We're going to have fun. And I hope you love this channel. And please subscribe, and share with your friends because ChatGPT is just absolutely insane. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.